At the time of Ahmaud Arbery's death, Georgia was one of just 4 states in the country without hate crimes legislation. Following guilty verdicts on federal hate crime charges for the men who killed him, legal experts say the case will have a lasting impact in state court. WSAV's Brian Ray explains.
We witnessed a horrific, hate-filled act of violence. We saw injustice with our own eyes. Georgians protested to demand action.
In June 2020, shortly after the video of Arbery's killing became public, Governor Kemp signed House Bill 426 into effect. The law adds additional punishment for intentionally committing a crime against someone because of their race, national origin, sexual orientation, or disability, and requires officers to submit a written bias crime report. At the time, Georgia was one of 4 states in the country without that type of law on the books, which is why the Arbery case was brought to federal court.
What happened in Georgia's case is that it took a crime like this to occur for the legislation to go back and kind of look at that and say, oh, wow, look, we do have a case and we're unable to prosecute it the way that it deserves to be prosecuted.
At the federal level, hate crime laws have been in effect for more than 50 years.
And that was at a time when heightened racial violence was national news every day in terms of the death of civil rights workers and leaders across the South who were finally enjoying public accommodations.
Legal experts say this case served as a test for the laws in place, and looking ahead will serve as precedent for the first hate crime trials in state court.
There have been hate crimes such as the mass killings of Asian individuals in Atlanta that happened after Arbery's case that now can be prosecuted as hate crimes at the state level. We can kind of see that dynamic play out in real time. So this is a really significant case to lay the foundation, the groundwork.
In Savannah, Brian Ray, WSAV News 3 on your side.
And data from the Department of Justice shows there were nearly 200 hate crimes committed in Georgia in 2020, 67% of them motivated by race.